guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Namonje, back at it with another video. So yeah, I'm getting ready. We're having a very nice event at church today, so I thought why not film a video while getting ready. So yeah, not wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So today we'll be filming an eye makeup tutorial, just very short. I have my Miss Rose palette, and then I have my Huda Beauty palette. I'll be mixing these two, like I'll be mixing eyeshadows from these two palettes. So Huda Beauty and Miss Rose. So
let's see. Oh my god, how did this happen?
On the Huda Beauty palette, what I'll use is Cocoa and Trust Fund. I'll be mixing this one and this one, and then yeah, I'll be using this one for the new one. So firstly, I have to prime my eyes, and for you, before I'm not going to do this on camera because I have a video right here which you can. Okay, so the first tip I have for you guys is every time you are using your eyeshadow, dust off the excess. Okay, don't use it when you just dab on the thing. And then what you want to do is when you're about to start, you have to hold your brush almost at the end, not too close, because if you hold it too close, it means you're going to be transferring a lot of product, but at the end, with less control, you transfer a bit of product. And then in circular motions, as you can see, you take it from the crease, from the corners of your eye, into the inner side of your eye. Again, corners of your eye into the inner side. Because I don't want to have too much makeup because of what I'm going to be wearing, what I'll do is I'll just highlight now, go over with in this palette. Okay, so this palette doesn't have shade names, okay, but I'll mix this golden color with this bronze color. Okay, this golden color with this bronze color, and then I'll go in with it. Now this one, because I want to highlight the corners of my eye to half of my eye, so you start from the corners and then build it up, upwards, from the corners, build it upwards, corner, again, once again, not too close at the tip, hold your brush from the tip, corners, upwards. And so this is the look that I've achieved on one side of my eye. Again, hold your brush at the tips, and then if you want to intensify the color, then you can hold it close to the edges, okay, close to the brush area of the brush. So that's if you want to intensify the color. So I'll do my other eye off camera and then I'll be back. And this is the other eye, so this is the final makeup look. So this is the final makeup look. What I did is I just went in with mascara and intensified my eye lashes. The mascara that I use is Naked 3 mascara, and yeah, so this is the look. This is just a simple tutorial for beginners. And by the way, I'm having a giveaway going on right now, so if you like and subscribe, subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be able to win in my next giveaway. My giveaway winner for this video is Tawanga, so congratulations Tawanga for winning for this video. So that's it guys, bye. I hope you learned. This is more beginner friendly. I'll do a more intensified tutorial for people who are going to transition into becoming professional makeup artists on their faces. I mean, yeah. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and